Hi, Sairi.
Oh, hello Amaya. What are you doing here?
I just came to play with you, but today is a really hot day, so I think we should go in and study.
Yes, that is correct. Do you know why the temperature increases?
I have heard about the carbon emission thing, but I don't know correctly about it. Do you know?
Yes, I have watched some videos and read some books about it. Let's go in and find out more.
Okay, let's go.
Amaya, do you know that the carbon dioxide controls the amount of water vapor in the atmosphere and thus the size of the greenhouse effect?
What is the greenhouse effect?
The greenhouse effect is a natural process that warms the Earth's surface. When the sun's energy reaches the Earth's atmosphere, some of it is reflected back to the space and the rest is absorbed and re-radiated by greenhouse gases. The absorbed energy warms the atmosphere and the surface of the Earth.
Oh, really? So that means that Earth's temperature will increase because of carbon dioxide already in the atmosphere.
Yes, and not only the increase of temperature. The carbon emission also causes climate changes, symptoms of which include melting of polar ice caps, the rising of the sea levels, disturbance of animals' natural habitats, extreme weather events, and so many more negative side effects that are dangerous.
Yes, and the rising of sea levels affects small countries such as Tuvalu, Kiribati, and Marshall Islands. And they are already experiencing sea level rise where ocean flooding has washed salt water into agricultural lands and inundated sources of drinking water.
Yes, and the reason for this is releasing too much carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases.
What are the other greenhouse gases?
The main gases responsible for the greenhouse effect include carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and fluorinated gases. And I found that nearly 25% of the greenhouse gases are released by electricity and heat. And nearly 20.4% are released by agricultural land.
Really?
Yes, and not only that. 17.9% are released by industries. 14% are by transportation. 9.6% are by other energy. 6.7% are by food waste. And another 6.4% are released by commercial and residential.
That's quite a lot. But thank you so much for your information, Sairi.
You're welcome, Amaya. And do you know, nearly 80% out of the greenhouse gases that people released in 2019 is carbon dioxide. And nearly 10% is methane gas.
Yes. I saw it in one of the newspaper articles last week. It was an overview of US greenhouse gas emission in 2019, and also there were the percentages of nitrous oxide and fluorinated gases. And as I can remember, nitrous oxide was 7% and fluorinated gases were 3%.
Yes, you are correct. And that is only in 2019. So could you imagine the amounts of gases that released in 2020?
Us human beings must have released lot of greenhouse gases.
I think so. And I found an image that shows the increase of the emission of greenhouse gases.
Sayuri, did you know there are both natural and human sources that emit carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases? Natural sources include decomposition and respiration. Human sources come from activities like cement production, deforestation, as well as the burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas.
Yes, and all these bad things occur due to the human activities.
That is correct. Because in the past, none of these problems occurred as people didn't have any fossil fuels and other machines.
Yes, but these inventions are useful as long as we use them correctly.
That is true. And I think we are not too late to stop these things. We can reduce the carbon emission by switching to renewable energy sources instead of fossil fuels, minimizing deforestation, planting more plants and trees, and turning off the lights and other electrical appliances after using.
Yes, and also we can follow the 3R concept of reducing, reusing, and recycling.
Yes, that is correct, Sayuri. And can you see that light in your bedroom?
Yes, I can see.
That is still on.
Oh, I forgot to turn it off. I will switch it off.
Yes, you should. And I should use a lunchbox instead of using lunch sheet.
Yes, that is good too. So, we will be able to reduce this emission of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases.
Because it is our responsibility.